In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 quick tips to help you master T-junctions. And just very briefly, if you would like to support me, you can do so by PayPal, links in the description. If you would like some advice or tips, or you would like me to analyze your report sheet, this is my email. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the content, and you can also subscribe to this channel. Remember, it costs nothing to like and subscribe, and you'll be doing me a favor. Okay, so let's move on then to the first tip. So the first tip here is in relation to taking a right turn at a T-junction, and it can be summarized as follows: gear before steer, which I'm going to explain. So let's say you've looked left and right, you're all set to go, it's safe to go. So you would drive straight first, and then just about here, just before or even slightly on the halfway line here, you would then go from first gear straight into second gear and then complete the turn. So you're turning right like that and you're on the main road then. So by getting to second gear before you get to the white line, or just on the white line, let's say, it avoids the engine getting too loud and it's more economical on your engine. So no loud engine, gear before steer for a better right turn, as long as it's safe and as long as it's practical to do so. Next tip here is deciding whether or not it's safe for you to pull out to the left at a T-junction when there's a car here, the blue car, on the main road. Now I know it can be difficult and stressful for learners to figure out whether or not it's safe to go. The only real answer is to practice, get lessons, and you will gain the experience to give you the confidence to make a good decision over time. But I want to share with you something called the 3 S's, okay? And this is space, speed, and space, which I'm going to explain now. So space, speed, and space. So you're taking a left here, you're the red car taking a left, and you're thinking about going, you're not sure because the blue car is here. First of all, space. Think of the space you have here, okay? This area here I'm marking out with my finger. Think, how much space do I have? Maybe it's 70 or 80 meters. Then immediately think, how fast is this car going? Is he going very fast, or is he just making kind of slow, steady progress? And then think of the space again. Is it much difference? Like if I bring him down here, it's not much difference from when you initially looked, but if he's here when you give your second check of the space, it's a lot less space. So if you think of that, it can really help you make a good informed decision on whether or not it's safe to go. And the third tip here at T-junctions, or indeed crossroads as you'll see here, is about position. I have had 2 emails in the last 3 weeks from people who have failed on this exact topic. And what's happened is they're at an unmarked junction, an unmarked T-junction similar to this, no road markings. So you can see over here, like it's nicely marked out, the stop sign, the yield sign here, and you know which is the main road and all that. But here it's not marked out. And what people have been doing, okay, is the tester has instructed them, okay, let's take a right up ahead. And what the learner drivers have been doing, unfortunately, is going over to the right like that, which means they're completely on the wrong side of the road. And if a car was to come in here or in this direction, they would be causing a major obstruction, and it's very, very dangerous. My advice to you, bring that down a bit there, if you see an unmarked crossroads like that, do not move over to the right, far right, like that, unless you're absolutely sure that it's safe to do so. If in doubt, always keep, like the red car is there, just to the left half of the road, because otherwise you could be getting a grade 3 mark on position turning right. It seems that learner drivers are confusing it with a one-way street, but a one-way street will be clearly marked out with road markings and signs like here. So if in doubt, always keep left. If you would like to share any tips that you picked up over the years from your instructor or even from your driving examiner, why not let me know in the comments section? It'll be interesting for me to read, and others will benefit from that too. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and I'll be back very soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.